Context is one of the most important concepts when working with Claude Code. The system can only operate on what it can see within its context window. If you manage context well, you get better results with lower cost and higher efficiency. Each model has a large context window, but it fills up faster than expected. A typical codebase is often much larger than what can fit into the available context at one time. This means the system does not load everything. It selectively loads what it considers relevant. Certain elements are always included in context. These include your slow.md file, the current conversation, recently referenced files, and files you are actively working on. Other files are loaded dynamically when needed. These include related dependencies, searched files, and test files associated with your changes. Some items are never loaded automatically, such as dependencies, build outputs, large data files, and binary assets. You can inspect what is currently loaded using the context command. This shows which files are included, how much space they consume, and why they were selected. Optimizing context is essential for performance. One important strategy is to prioritize critical information. Place the most important rules and instructions at the top of your slow.md file. This ensures they are always visible and influence behavior consistently. Another strategy is to exclude unnecessary files. You can define a configuration file that prevents large or irrelevant files from being included. This avoids wasting context on items that do not contribute to your current task. Modular design is also very important. Smaller, focused files are more efficient than large files. When a file is loaded, its entire content is included in context. Breaking large files into smaller modules ensures that only relevant parts are loaded. File naming also plays a key role. The system uses file names to decide what to load. Clear and descriptive names make it easier to identify relevant files quickly. Generic names create confusion and reduce efficiency. Managing your conversation is equally important. Long conversations consume a significant portion of context. If you are switching tasks or notice reduced performance, it is better to start fresh or compress the conversation. You can reduce context usage by summarizing previous interactions while retaining important information. Another effective technique is explicitly referencing files. Instead of relying on the system to find relevant files, specify exactly which files should be used. This ensures that only necessary information is loaded and improves accuracy. Context optimization can be summarized through a checklist. Ensure your project configuration file is concise and prioritized. Exclude unnecessary files from being loaded. Keep files modular and focused. Use clear and consistent naming conventions. Manage conversation length effectively. Reference files explicitly when needed. Monitor context usage when performance declines. You should also think of context as a limited resource. Every instruction, file, and message consumes part of this resource. Efficient usage ensures that more capacity is available for meaningful work. Proper context management improves performance, reduces confusion, and allows the system to operate at its full potential. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use hooks to automate actions and extend functionality further. See you in the next lecture.